Hi, my name is Declan, owner-operator at Total DIY in Kilcoe. We've been using the Dash EPOS and integrated card system for over a year and a half now. Find the system very easy to use and the company excellent to deal with. Support is reliable, just like the system.
Hi, my name is Valentine. I love using Dash. It's very simple and the support that I get for it, amazing.
Being new to retail, I found it very easy to use and get everything started.
The stock part was really helpful to me. That's a very good feature, very important feature. The fact that it keeps track of, everything.
My name is Jean Kelly. I work in the Concord. We've been using Dash for 2 years. We do our stock take every 2 weeks. It's very easy to use and it's very popular with the staff.